Welcome to step 1. This is all about the product. So as I said, we're going to be earning money in this challenge from promoting other people's products first, right? Or what other people call affiliate marketing. So this is so we can get familiar with the concepts of sales automation, chatbots, funnels, and all the cool, exciting stuff, while at the same time generating some real income for yourself. So you'll see some money actually coming in. But if you have done any type of affiliate marketing or reselling other people's products, you will know that the hardest part is actually finding a product that is easy to sell, that is quality, and actually brings in passive income every single month. So if this was a normal training or just theory or something like that, where I didn't really care about whether you're successful or not, then I'll probably just tell you, go to check a website like ClickBank or something like that, and I'll give you an idea of what kind of products, say what's good about them, and then I'll say test them first. But obviously, I really want you to understand how this all works, and I want you to be successful with this challenge, because I'm putting my name on the line over here, right? So because I want you and 999 other people to earn at least $1,000 in passive income every single month, while at the same time learning about sales automation, funnels, and chatbots. So for that reason, I've chosen a product which is already proven, which I and thousands of other people worldwide are already currently earning passive income from this product every single month. So at the moment, since I've just launched this challenge, I don't have much sales to show you just yet on my dashboard, but I'll show you one of my friends, Liam James K's results, where he's already bringing in around 12,000 US dollars per month in passive income just from this single product. I'm going to get him on and he's going to show you proof of his earnings on his dashboard in just a few minutes. But before we do that, I just want to explain more why this is the perfect product for this challenge. So first of all, it's a membership-based product. So we only need to get someone to sign up once, and that generates passive income every single month because we get commissions every single month that they stay signed up. So that's great, right? So it's perfect. It is digital based, so people can access it right away. So that means they register and they can use the product. It's low price. It's not expensive like other items out there where you can only sell, maybe one or two in a few weeks. This is going to be high turnover item, which a lot of people are going to be attracted to because more people are going on internet, and more is going to be crazy awesome for resellers or affiliate programs, which is going to be to earn us a lot of passive income. So it's fantastic. So the product which we're going to be using in this challenge is a platform called Builderall. So if you don't know what Builderall is, it's a website builder, a sales funnel builder, a chatbot builder. It's basically an all-in-one digital marketing platform that you can use to build websites, sales funnels, chatbots, and all the other exciting digital marketing strategies and stuff. So, but also another huge reason why I've actually chosen this product for this particular challenge is because it is a sales funnel builder, and in order to do any kind of effective online marketing, you will need a sales funnel. So if I was going to do this challenge with a different product, like maybe a ClickBank product or reselling any of the other local cosmetic products, for example, we would still need to have access to a program like this, like Builderall, to build the sales funnels. But the great thing about Builderall and why it works so well with this challenge is because we're going to be using Builderall and the sales funnel it builds to actually promote Builderall itself. So there's no additional cost on your side, right? So you don't have to pay for hosting, you don't have to pay for other websites or sales funnel builders or anything like that. It's all built in already, which is why it works so well. So I'm just gonna jump on my computer right now and just show you proof of my friend's earnings from this product to show you how to get access to it, and also show you how this challenge is going to work. And it doesn't require that much work to earn over $1,000 US per month with Builderall. So check it out.
So you're just on my computer now, so I'm just going to show you my Builderall earnings so you can see that it's really generating me thousands of dollars every single month in passive income. And I'm also going to explain a little bit more how we're actually going to get you to at least $1,000 in passive income just using Builderall. So before I do that, I just want to show you my earnings so you can see that it really works. I'm just going to refresh this page here so you know that it's legit and it's not a screenshot. As you can see here, so this is what I've been paid out. I've got this available in my account, this on hold and this pending. That adds up to over $32,000 that I've made from Builderall in the last few months. So you can see it really works. But the passive income keeps coming in on complete autopilot. So I'm just going to show you my commissions that are coming in. So this is today's date. As you can see, $28 commission, $28 commission, $47 commission. I'm just going to go on to page 2. And it's only early at the moment, so this isn't a full day's commissions. $17, $47, $1.98, a bit of a small one, but still a commission. And then we go into yesterday's date, so the 28th. So all of these are just from yesterday. All of these commissions that are coming in on complete autopilot from one single day up to there. 47, 47, 47, 28, 28, 28. Continues to come in 28, 25, 47. So you can see this system really works and it brings in so much passive income when you use it.
It's awesome, right? I know. Tell me about it. So before we move on, I just wanted to explain a little bit more about how this challenge works and how I'm actually going to get you earning at least $1,000 per month passive income just by using Builderall. So one of the main reasons I've chosen Builderall is because it's got a 2-tier affiliate program. And if you don't know what that is, it's basically what it means is that we are earning commissions on 2 levels, right? So if you get someone to sign up to Builderall using your affiliate link, you're going to earn 100% commission from that first month. That's great, right? Then you're also going to be earning 30% commissions every single month that person stays signed up. So which is fantastic because it's bringing in passive income every month. But the great thing about Builderall is you actually earn commissions on the second level as well. So that means if you get someone to sign up to Builderall, of course you get the commissions every month from them. And if then they get someone else to sign up to Builderall, you will also earn commissions from the second person every single month as well. So you earn 2 levels of commission, this is why you can earn so much passive income from this challenge, right? So I'm going to show you, excuse me. So what you see here is the Builderall affiliate earnings calculator, which shows you how much you can earn depending on how many people you sign up. So give me a second and I'll put it all together. Give me a second. So what you see here, like I said just now, is the Builderall affiliate earnings calculator, which shows you how much you can earn depending on how many people you get to sign up, right? So for this challenge, over the next 30 days, all I need anyone to do is to get 10 people signed up. All you need to do is to get 10 people signed up to Builderall in 30 days. But don't worry, you don't have to do any selling or anything like that. And the reason why is because my chatbot and my sales funnel, which you're going to get in the next step, is what's going to do everything for you, which includes the sales and the follow-up and the marketing and things like that. And that's one of the reasons why we're here, so that you learn how to do sales automation, how online marketing and referral marketing works, right? So and this funnel and the chatbot is proven to work. How do we know that? Because Liam already showed it. So this strategy and this funnel is his funnel that we are using and trying to make it localized and make it better, right? So it's proven to work. It's going to do the sales for you. But to get to $1,000 per month, you need to have 10 people. So only 10 people. Just to give you an idea, so my friend Liam is currently getting 5 to 10 people signed up per day. So 5 to 10 per day. So that's how he's doing it. So I think 1 or 2 per week for us is quite okay. And I only need anyone taking part in this challenge to get 10 people signed up over the course of 30 days. So that's just to give you an idea of how easy this could be, right? So now I'm going to put it in here, how many licenses you can sell in 1 year. This is of course 1 year, but we're just doing it in 30 days, right? 1 month. So let's move this a little bit. So this is 10 over here, and how many work as affiliate? 10. And that's 10 because we're going to only be selling affiliate accounts, right? So just for this challenge. And the reason this is going to work so well, and the reason you don't have to sell that many accounts, is, and also that you're going to earn a lot of passive income from this, is we're going to give the people that you sign up, we're going to give these people a copy of the funnel, right? Of the chatbot as well. So the whole system, we're just going to give it to them and bring them into the challenge, which is also, when they're going to watch this video, ask them to sell 10 as well. So it is a system where you introduce, and for them to also learn how the online marketing works, sales automation works, so that they can also be better in their business. So they're going to repeat what you're doing, which means you're going to get to earn commissions from each person that they get to sign up as well, right? And this is where it works so well. They're also going to get 10 people sign up, and as you can see over here, your monthly, over here, your monthly income is $1,646 in total passive income. So that's in US dollars. And all you need to do is 10, right? So you do this for the next 30 days. You get 10 people signed up. That's all you need to do. That's it, right? Your requirements are done. You don't need to do anything else. All you need to do is focus on 10 accounts in 30 days. So which is all done for you in the next step, because I'm going to give you the sales funnel with my sales videos, with everything in it, which is going to close the 10 sales for you. You're probably really realistically going to sell a lot more than 10, because my aim is just to get 1,000 people to earn $1,000. But you might notice here that the actual monthly income is more than $1,000. That's because I'm taking into account that some people might not do 10, maybe less. For example, if your affiliates only sell 9 or something like that, that's why it's just a small number. But actually, if you do sell more than 10, the people under you sell 10, then you'll make a lot more. But I've just set the 1,000 target to be realistic and to be more achievable for everyone. So if you want to take part in this challenge, you'll need to sign up to Build a Raw Business, because you're going to need to access my funnel in step 2, which is hosted in Build a Raw. So you're going to need your own account, and you're also going to need your own Build a Raw affiliate link, right? So that you can only get it by getting the account, so you can actually earn those commissions. So what you need to do is sign up to Build a Raw Business on the bottom of this page. It costs $49 per month to join Build a Raw Business, but it's a 30-day money-back guarantee. So this is why this challenge is a 30-day challenge, right? And I'm aiming to get you earning at least $1,000 in passive income by the end of the month. So, but if you don't earn $1,000, or you don't get that target, or if anything happens, and you can, that's a great thing. You can cancel at any time and get a full refund, no questions asked. So that's why I've set myself 30 days to get you up to that level of $1,000 using the sales funnel and the bots that I've already created. But if for whatever reason you want to cancel, or you want to quit, whether you want to quit on the first day, second day, third day, or 29th day, you'll get a full refund, right? You can, without losing a single thing, and you learn a lot of stuff. So you can only gain from taking part in this challenge. So all you need to do is just sign up to Build a Raw on the link below. And as I said as well, so you get 100% commission for everyone that you personally refer. So as soon as you get one person signed up to Build a Raw, you're going to get your $49 straight back, right? So already break even. Plus, you're going to be earning $15 per month from every one of them, every single month, as long as they are also using. And it's great because Build a Raw is so awesome. For me, I've been using it, right? So plus also the $15 per month from everyone that they get to sign up. So you times that by 10, and that's how you get these crazy figures, right? So that's all you need to do to take part in this challenge, is to create a Build a Raw business account using the button below. It'll cost $49. Once you've done that, it'll take you through to step number 2, where I'm going to give you the high converting sales funnels and the chatbots and all the sequences, so we can get you generating passive income, and to see and learn how all this online automated sales is being done. And I'm also going to give you the traffic source that I use as well. And just so that you know, there's no upsell in step 2 or step 3. There's nothing else. It's just this. The only thing that you're going to have to pay for during this challenge out of your own pocket is the Build a Raw business account, which is the only thing is required, because that contains everything that you need for this challenge, with the links and the funnels and stuff like that. So that's all you need to do, is just sign in to Build a Raw or at the bottom of this page, and then I'll see you in step number 2.